It's been called Sonia Gandhi's Kamraj plan. Will senior Congress ministers actually be asked to quit and head back to the party? Of course, it's been couched as the ministers offering or writing letters to Sonia Gandhi saying that they would like to go back to the party and strengthen the organization. But many are questioning why this leak has come today, because clearly these are all supposed to be separate offers or separate letters that have been written. Why the leak today? Is it part of a larger game plan, setting the stage really for a larger reshuffle which is expected after the budget session in May? And will this mean also a larger role for Congress General Secretary Rahul Gandhi?
I only sympathize with them. There is no correspondence between, especially I can say myself, no correspondence, nothing, and I am not intended to leave the government.
When the Honorable Congress President is revamping the party, when decision is taken, whichever minister she wants to be drafted into the party, it is a prerogative of the Congress President. The Congress President and Prime Minister, they will discuss.
Well, let's go across to Sandeep Hukan and Sunil Prabhu, who've been tracking that story. Sandeep, it's been an interesting day because, of course, the buzz of this reshuffle has been on since the disastrous Uttar Pradesh elections. But the rumours have gathered force today. Even a parliamentary strategy meeting by between ministers and Sonia Gandhi has been interpreted as discussing that larger restructuring. What is the truth of it this evening?
Well, you know, the parliamentary strategy meeting got hyped because there were two names who were supposed to have, offered to resign. One was Jairam Ramesh and the other one was Salman Khurshid. If you look at the names that are doing the rounds, Salman Khurshid, the sources close to him say that he did offer owning up moral responsibility after Congress's poor showing in the UP elections, but there was no letter as such, in the immediate past. Jairam Ramesh, I've been speaking to his office and they've issued a denial saying that he's written any such letter. There may not have been any form of communication, written communication, but he may have expressed his desire to work for the party better, because remember, Jairam is seen as within the Congress camp as a key strategist. The other names, Vailar Ravi, you just heard him, a categorical denial. Ghulam Nabi Azad too denied, his office denied. He didn't, of course, speak to the media. He said that not everything is for the media. Yes. And Narayan Sami kept it a little vague, but my sources told me that he did meet with the Congress president and he did discuss restructuring. When I spoke with Narayan Sami, he said that what he spoke with Congress president is privileged communication, privileged conversation. He would not like to share with anyone else, far less the media. But, you can take that in political parlance, you can take that as being ready to come back to the party.
In fact, Sunil, if you could also put this in the larger political context vis-a-vis Rahul Gandhi as well, because we know that the ministers will couch it to make the point that we didn't write the letter, but we're always ready to come to the service of the party. Salman Khurshid has made the point it is always party first. Where is the issue? We're all loyal congressmen. Is this part of does this give really Sonia Gandhi free hand to virtually do a revamp of the Congress party as well, the CWC, perhaps Rahul Gandhi being positioned as the next working president? Now, that's a theory that has been doing the rounds for months now. Is there now any further credence to this?
Yes, Sonia, definitely. There is a lot of credence to that. In fact, it's not a theory anymore. It's really a proposal which will have to be action. Clearly, the Congress president has already said she needs to pull up her socks, her party needs to pull up her socks. She immediately constituted a high-level committee of Mr. A.K. Anthony, Sheila Dikshit and Sushil Kumar Shinde. That report is pending. It will be submitted in the next few days, which will help to revamp the party organization. Mind you, Mr. Anthony is not the first time it is not the first time that he's attempted to give suggestions to the Congress president on this. She has acted upon it the last time round in deciding candidates. But this time round, it gets a further urgency. We'll have to wait for Parliament to get over, and as well as the crucial presidential poll, because any major change that the Congress president is envisaging will require time. But as you were rightly saying, the proposal which young Congress MPs, young Congress leaders, and leaders who feel for the party say that it now requires Rahul Gandhi to take a more active interest, just not being there as a general secretary, a more active role as a working president, younger faces in the Congress party to represent the CWC, people who represent the future of this country, who will be able to take the Congress and project a united Congress with various state leaders, be it Madhav Rao Scindia, be it Ajay Makkan, be it any of these...
You mean Jyotiraditya Scindia?
Jyotiraditya, all these young leaders who have virtually been in as ministers of state, take a more active role in the party and carry on seeing them as the CWC members, and hopefully project with Rahul Gandhi as the working president a brighter future for the Congress party, which has been in the doldrums, as many say.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.